between Tito and Udlamini. But let me hear from Sister. Ngibongela fana Tita sikubingelele Princess RG Sono. Kunjani sis?
Ngiyaphila wena?
Hayi siyaphila nkosazana. Ngishonile namhlanje. Sikhuluma ngodaba Monopoly Saling, but you are raising a point sakhuluma Orlando Pirates ukuthi you think it's time for Dlamini to come back to team. Udlamini sengisikhathi engadlali Orlando Pirates. Do you think or feel ukuthi he can add value to this Orlando Pirates that is playing currently?
For me, I'm sure Udlamini, the last game that he played, I'm not sure, it was Kev. I'm not sure quietly. And then kule game layer, Lupopo, it was playing low block, like Angas and 10 men behind. So he was introduced, and then he got an assist, and then police work or so Mang Pega gu PSL manje. Most of the teams, they tend to play mid block or low block, yeah, somewhere there. So Udlamini for me he will be a very good number 10 if Utito is not available. Because for me Udlamini no Tito, they don't play the same. Nomfukeng Futi was not playing the same. So Utito is a kind of player Guti before Siagu opponent box, he wants to play one to touch, like a build up to that goal. But with Dlamini, what I've noticed is a player Oguti, like he's straightforward, like he will just break a passenger and then more like Rele, but hana speed just like Rele did. So the difference between Dlamini and Tito, and then Mangpega, the way like he wants the players to run. And then if you find Silala team is low block, I'm a player where they tend to be frustrated. And then that's where the opponent attack a corner. But if we have Dlamini, he will make sure Guti Magafiga go middle foot Nepal, like he will pass a breaking pass, straight pambil, unlike Tito playing 1-2-1-2, trying to build towards the goal. So yeah, I think he will be a very good player. Even if agana speed, but ama passes wake, they reduce that thing Guti and Amela Kitime. And as you understand now. So yeah.
You are raising a valid point. Ngendaba yakhe uDlamini yokuba direct in most times compared to Tito, who plays ngama patches, adlale ngama pockets, and then trying to find ukuthi angene boxing. Unlike uDlamini, who can take a shot even esathe ukuqhela elokhu boxing. Also uDlamini is a good player in terms of set pieces. I'll agree with you in that one. We call it value that Tito at some point doesn't give us. But I'm worried. Can he still go back to his best? Because remember, you guys are trying to win back Betway Premiership. Is it the right time for him to come back and be tested on the team, or what's your take? Because it's been long for him as well. There was an injury, and I don't think it's still an injury. Maybe it's now just. Maybe coach doesn't think Uti is the right person. Also the age, because I think he's 30 now. So what's your take? Do you think Uti, if he can still be tried back?
Yeah, he's been out for some time, but if a coach wants to build that momentum, like amupe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, like I think he still has a lot to offer, even if umdala, but I still believe Uti there's something there. And then last almost on team, I think if they can play like Durban City, like we can face Inking Alapaya, because I think we are too predictable now. So coach, he needs to use everything that he has. Understand? So yeah.
No, I get your point. You're making a good point. Especially the point that you are saying, Uti, even the Pirates teams have started to play low block against them. And it becomes very hard. Even we came here cheaper, you could see on the first half what they're struggling to get that goal. Of which even the opportunities that they get in front, they are not clinical as well. So Udlamini has won Orlando Pirates some of the games where it was tight for them to get goals, even on set pieces. So for that, I'll give him a benefit of the doubt to say he can come back. And the point that we are making, Uti, we must not be predictable, especially having players like Abu Dlamini maybe at some point that can maybe tend to give us something that is not there in the team. But into ngayithandi between Lokunja, Utito no Dlamini, it's just that I definitely feel sometimes they are slow, especially with PSL. But playing in KEF, maybe they can give us those, because KEF sometimes usuke ngempela kufanele udlale build up to get that one goal and win the match. But overall, isquad Orlando Pirates, as Orlando Pirates, where do you think Ushota corner? Do you think Udo Sebastian, the baby Haaland will give you what maybe is missing there front? What's your take overall? Isquad Orlando Pirates.
Okay, I think Guma striker, baby Haaland. I'm not sure. I can't say 100% he will deliver because he still need to adapt to play to do style, even PSL. You understand? So it might take time, or he will surprise us. I figure kora. So I won't say with 100% sure. So I will think maybe add the senior striker. I think they need to add another striker.
Which means the strikers that you have, you don't rate them highly. Let us check. Mbuthuma,
Lithuli,
yeah, and
Makgopa,
yeah. And those are four strikers for Orlando Pirates. So you definitely believe Wuti. What about Ulungu? Don't you think Ulungu can also be tried on that position?
Oh yes. I think I think now maybe we need to test him Lapaya strike and see if he can help us with something. Because I think Gule side here, right? Yeah, no, they do play, but there's a clash
between them.
Yeah, between them.
Maybe also, maybe if they get used to playing together, maybe they might forge that combination. We don't know. But I also believe, Wuti, we can try to get, maybe Orlando can try to get players for the wingers. And they must definitely, if the thing of Sebastian Pedersen doesn't work, I definitely believe they must quickly turn for Lunga to play striking position.
Okay.
Yeah, because anyone can see as much as people are putting support, new Orlando Pirates supporters are putting support to Yanela Mbuthuma, but Mbuthuma really needs to score. It's good that he's playing for the team, and because if you can check the goals, sometimes most of the goals he has touches before the goal is being scored, but a striker needs to score. You can't judge a striker by not scoring, because remember, if we can give Usiema Lokunja defender of the season while Usiema concede goals, what can we say about that? So a striker, as much as we can try to sugarcoat or be in support of Mbuthuma, but I definitely believe Mbuthuma needs to score goals.
But Google Mbuthuma, I think we are unfair to Mbuthuma, honestly. I don't want to lie, because there's no way Mbuthuma from his former team I got 5 goals the whole season, and then Magaza Kuperet, we expect him to score 10. It can be. We are unfair on the board. It can be.
But I think they saw potential. You know, Orlando Pirates have taken players of which I think he had more 10 or more goals last season, of which he never did the previous seasons. So maybe there was this thing, maybe they're gonna turn him to be a good striker. So what's your take? Do you think by what is happening, through Mbuthuma, should he be loaned, or does he continue fighting for his position in Orlando Pirates?
You're fighting his position, I'm not sure. And then even Ugumlona, I'm not even sure. Because when I check, I'm a team, I was a Pirates. So Uzomlona, Umlonelegu Amazul, ayokora 6 goals, 7 goals. Magazagu Pirate, ayokora 2. So I'm not sure about Mbuthuma, honestly. I'm not sure.
Yeah, as an Orlando Pirates, being a supporter, I know what you wish for Mbuthuma, but we will leave it there because we don't want him to be loaned and also fighting his position. But my sister, thanks for the connection. Yeah, Fanatics. And I want to go to the last point before I let you go.
Okay.
I've been crying for Orlando Pirates to score on set pieces. I was happy to see them. Because Orlando Pirates are 13 corners in a match, and then nothing is being offered in terms of Ubambi Ikana, because it was a corner. So that has been my very big concern. Even from last season, I think the team needs to do better in terms of set pieces. It was good to see a header from Usiema. So what's your take in terms of, but maybe also I don't know. Maybe mhlambe indlela abadlala ngayo. Because big teams they score, especially in the Champions League. You see those kind of goals where set pieces are very, very important in football matches. What's your take about that?
Yeah, it's very worrying. Ukuthi sithole maybe 25 corners or 12, and then we don't utilize them. Because if we go to CAF, there are some teams ukuthi like they don't even rely ukuthi striker sikore. They can even give you a header, goal nje. So Nati, I think we need to utilize our corners, some free kicks too, and then Orlando Pirates, just like they did. Bayothola ama specialist for finishing nanan. We saw good documentary. I think even that one, they need to find nje ama specialists basiza bafana, because hey, it's worrisome, honestly. And then also, can I add something? Also,
Yes.
I can blame the team, but also I'm a player way to do they take accountability to good guys? Kunini sithola ama corner and we don't utilize. Can we practice nyana something nyana? So we can't always say the team. Also, the players must come to the party.
Yeah, I'm with you, because even the opposition team, when you are playing Orlando Pirates, definitely you understand football, if into football, that rather make a throw in than a corner. But when you're playing against Orlando Pirates, it doesn't matter. Even if you can give them 10 corners, there's no even a moment where you say, hey, it's just that they are taking a corner and they are trying like many things, but we don't see any progress. I definitely believe what you are saying also is to players taking responsibility of those corners, because them not converting those chances of Ama corner, it's like they are taking their credit away, because they are the ones who force those corners. So how come they don't convert them? My sister, I know I said we were talking about Utabala Saling, maybe what landed and now Saling umdlalo wakho obekade edlalela. I think umbonile uSaling ekwenzela imanga thina ke la eMbombela we saw Saling enza imgilingwane kuMamelodi Sundowns. So I don't know what's your take with Saling. Saling looks like he might go away also from Mamelodi Sundowns. What do you think the solution might be for a player like Saling?
Yeah, Saling indaba yakhe, it's really deep. I think like the boy nje, the way ngibona ngakhona with the rumors and whatnot, he's not okay. Like not to insult mentally, I'm not sure he's not good. Maybe there's something that is bothering him, I don't know. And then we also had his agent Lapaya Asho Guti, you know what, I've also noticed that something is wrong, but I can't diagnose him Uguti like Vela when you are suffering from this. So I don't know, like Uguti, is he getting help enough or what? I'm not sure. Clearly something it's not good, Mosaling.
Yeah, it's an unfortunate event for Saling, because Saling, I think now, as much as he was hurt when he left the Orlando Pirates, but I definitely believe ukuthi sometimes yabona if umuntu akushiya ukade ekwenzele but into ezinhle. I think Saling did play his part during his time at Orlando Pirates. So to see him being on the news and not on the soccer field is really worrisome of Saling. But we are hopeful ukuthi he will get help. One guy, Rodin, suggested that maybe he needs a move away from Mamelodi Sundowns, maybe a move to Stellenbosch, or maybe any other team that can. But someone will also ask Uguti at Orlando Pirates. You remember, you guys even tried to loan him back to where you bought him, and then it didn't agree. So maybe someone will come and say that. But we are hopeful Uguti, this moment shall pass for Saling, and let him, because sometimes we can't sugarcoat the thing of maybe if he's using substance abuse, he must go away from that. Also, alcohol, I don't believe Uguti that can help him. If maybe he can stay away from those things and then maybe try to cleanse himself emotionally and spiritually, maybe he will get back to his senses and be the player that we love him.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, my sister, Sebonga kakhulu at Princess Sono. Ekhaya kukuphi Princess? Usifonela usithinta ukuphi?
Thank you. Ngona Pitori.
Oh, okuMahlanyeni.
Umara start.
Ube right. That was our sister from Pretoria, Sister Princess Archie Sono. Yeah. Bafowethu, hey, inzima indaba yaSaling.